What if I told you that with just 2 hacks you can take plain frozen wings and turn them into extra crispy golden wings in your air fryer in just 25 minutes, and you don't even gotta thaw them? Drop your frozen wings straight into the basket. Air fry at 360 degrees for 10 minutes. Hack number 1. Pat those wings bone dry. Every one of them. Drain the liquid from your air fryer and clean the basket. Moisture is the enemy of crispy. Now season them up, and hack number 2. Add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. It changes the pH so that skin blisters and gets shatter-crisp. Now drizzle in 1 tablespoon of oil, give it a quick toss, and back into the air fryer they go. This time 400 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Shake them every 5 minutes and watch that skin turn golden and crackly. Look at that. Extra crispy, straight from frozen. I'd say those hacks are a game changer. Want the perfect sauce to go with these wings? Check out my video for the best wing sauce ever. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe so you don't miss next week's recipe. Thanks for watching Mikey Conquers the Kitchen.